If you sell on Amazon and you've thought of doing international sales into other markets outside of the US, it may have just gotten a lot easier for you. My name is Noah Wickham. I'm VP of Sales and Marketing here at My Amazon Guy, and they just released a new feature that makes it so you can go into international markets and you don't even have to worry about what language is in that market. So, Amazon basically now is going to be automatically translating your product images for you. This is, in my opinion, a huge thing because it means that it takes away one layer of barrier to entry into new markets for your product. Obviously, you still need to have product that you can actually send to those markets, but this makes it just slightly easier. So, what markets are actually affected by this? It's the US, Canada, Mexico, Brazil, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, the Netherlands, Belgium, Poland, Ireland, Sweden, and UK stores. Now, a couple of different things I think are really interesting about this, first and foremost, is that a lot of these that they're saying are already English-speaking, regions. So the US, Canada, Ireland, UK, all of those are typically going to be in English anyways. And then on top of that, as we're looking at this, one of the things that I am kind of curious on is their use of the AI to do this. So we already saw historically last year and earlier this year where they started getting rid of alt text on images where you can't actually do your own alt text anymore. They're using an AI to crawl your A+ content images to determine what the alt text should be, and then they're putting that alt text on that image in particular. So we are slowly getting into the realm, in my opinion, for Amazon is going to start utilizing the text that is on images as something that can actually be ranked and indexed for in the algorithm. This is, in my opinion, one of the coolest parts about AI and how Amazon is going to change the entire way that search works, because your designs are now going to actually matter, and what your designs say will matter even more because it tells the algorithm what you are actually selling and what your product actually is. Now, a couple of different things with inside this that I would be kind of curious on is how well it actually works within that language. So it does say if your images aren't in the customer's language, for example, not in German in the Germany store, we identify and replace them with translated versions. In the US, Canada, Germany, Spain, and Belgium, we create translated versions for customers' language preferences, so such as Spanish for the US or French in Canada. So this isn't just we're going to do it for whatever market it is. It is that if somebody's a customer's language preference is Spanish, but they live in the US, they will translate your images automatically into Spanish. Now, a couple of different problems I immediately see with this is the aspect of what is the reliability here? And a lot of the image, or I should say text localization that Amazon has done in the past, where you can technically upload your listings and have it automatically change around your title, for instance, hasn't always been the best. We've seen a lot of issues in the past when it comes to this kind of localization of text. And so I'm a little worried on Amazon's AI doing it now also for images and making sure that those images are actually correct in nature and making sure they are actually saying the right thing. Furthermore, on that, if we are starting to see this, a big thing people used to do is that any type of text that they couldn't necessarily have in their title for whatever reason, it's a semi-restricted keyword, but is relevant to their product, they would put it into images. So this tells me you can no longer do that and you're going to be restricted from that aspect. Now, the final thing on this, and this just goes par for the course when it comes to Amazon, if you actually want to learn more about this, you say to learn more, go to image localization. And when you go there, the topic does not exist. And so very par for the course for Amazon that they would try and basically say that we're doing this and this is going to automatically going to be doing that across the board. Yeah, and then of course the actual learn more, the section doesn't even exist, which tells me this isn't really being rolled out the way we probably think it would be. But it does say down here, if you want to replace a translated image, upload your own images in the correct language. This automatically removes our translated versions from the product detail page. So if you are somebody who is looking to get into a new market, I think this does make it easier as long as you don't care about 100% accuracy in whatever it is that your images are saying. Because as I said, historically, Amazon's localization of text hasn't always been 100% accurate in nature of how people actually talk and the type of words that people would say. It's akin to Google Translate in a lot of ways, in my opinion, where you can say one thing, but it really doesn't come across the right way in that language. That said, I do like the aspect where if somebody has a language preference in one specific market, it will change around the images for that specific customer, which could, in essence, help a lot of different areas where, for instance, if there's somebody who speaks German primarily and they're living in the UK, this could help them immensely because now they don't have to constantly be changing things around, and Amazon is going to actually look at the images, change it for them, say, hey, this is the product you probably want, and you actually know more about it outside of just the title and bullet points. So if you do want to expand, now is a great time to do it, and if you need some help expanding, head on over to myamazonguy.com. We help clients expand all the time into different markets across the entire globe.